morning, dear children. Let us start chapter 6, The Junk Sailor, NCERT class 4. This is part 1 video. In this video, we will discuss what we will learn in this chapter. Second, some new English words. Third, how to integrate this chapter with EVS. Okay, this chapter is from page number 60 to 68 in NCERT class 4. So, what will we learn in this chapter? We will learn some new English words, and we will also learn and know how to manage our waste. That is the 3 R's of waste management. It is topic to integrate mathematics with EVS. Now, student will able to learn to perform basic mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, especially on money. To solve daily life problems related to money and market, that is comparing prices of things, money transactions, etc. To make and understand the bill. हम लोग बाजार जाते हैं और बाजार में हमें बिल की जरूरत पड़ती है, तो इस चैप्टर में हम लोग सीखेंगे कि बिल बनाते कैसे हैं और बिल को हम रीड कैसे करते हैं. न्यू वर्ड्स. जंक. The chapter name is The Junk Sailor. Junk means garbage, scrap. जो कबाड़ा होता है, कबाड़ी वाले परचेज करते हैं. Sailor means vendor. Okay, who sells. Loan. Loan is an amount taken from someone or bank which is to be returned. लोन क्या है? हम किसी से कुछ पैसे लेते हैं, हमें कोई जरूरत पड़ती है तो, और बाद में उसको रिटर्न कर देते हैं थोड़े से ज़्यादा पैसे के साथ. जो ज़्यादा पैसा होता है उसको इंटरेस्ट कहते हैं. तो लोन इज एन अमाउंट विच वी टेक फॉर आवर वर्क्स फ्रॉम समवन और फ्रॉम सम बैंक, एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम वी हैव टू रिटर्न दैट. कलेक्टर. Collector means who collect the things. Okay, so garbage picker collects the garbage and to sell the seller. Now the 3 R's of waste management. Okay, so we should reduce, reuse, recycle. These are the 3 R's of waste management. We should reduce the excess consumption, unnecessary consumption. Okay, we should think if we can work with this some fixed products, we should not take new products. Okay, reuse. We try to reuse the products. For example, we are taking clothes, so we can donate it after some times and then someone can else use it. If we are using books, we can use books of our brothers, sisters or friends, and we can give our books to our juniors. Okay, so this will be reuse of the books. Recycling, and we should recycle the things which can be recyclable. Okay, so you can write me in comment box what are the recyclable products. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. If you have not subscribed till now, thank you.